Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download community rules templates from Discord. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Discord community guidelines page. Scroll down to find the community rules templates section. Choose a template that fits your server's needs. Click on the download link associated with that template. The template will download as a text file to your device. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Open the file with a text editor of your choice. Review the content of the template to understand its structure. Customize the rules to fit your community's specific needs. Once edited, save the file with a new name if desired. Log in to your Discord account. Select the server where you want to implement the rules. Go to the server settings by clicking on the server name. Navigate to the rules channel or create a new one. Copy the customized rules from the text file. Paste them into the rules channel on Discord. Make sure to format the rules for clarity. You're now ready to share your community rules with your members. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.